In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to transition into the late game into the TFC or the Teamfight Tactics game. So the first thing that you would like to do, of course, is just go and open your PC that contains the Riot client. Of course, if you don't have the Riot client, you can just go and open whatever browser you're using. In my case, I'm using Brave, and actually type on the URL section download Riot client, hit the enter button, download it, and once it's downloaded, install it, and of course just go and open it up once it's installed into your PC. Just go and look for it here in the startup options and open it. Once you open it, you'll find yourself here at this home page or at this main screen. Of course, here you'll find the games that you already have installed into your PC. And of course, if you don't have the Teamfight Tactics here, you can just scroll down a bit until you find this all games and make sure to click on Teamfight Tactics, and from here you'll be able to install it into your PC. Of course, you can play the Teamfight Tactics through the League of Legends if you are on PC. And if you want to play it on your phone, you can just go and download it through App Store if you're using an iPhone, or Google Play if you're using an Android, or even Play Store. So once it's downloaded and everything is done, you'll have to go and open it up, and of course just go and start some matchmaking to look for a game. Once you do the first things, of course you'll find yourself in a game like that. And I'm actually already in the late game because I've been in this game for a while, maybe 30 minutes in. So of course, for you, if you want to have a transition into the late game, of course you will have to win more and more, so you will get into the late game. Of course, how can you win? You'll have to just get the best comps, as you can see here. Of course, if you want to if you want a trick to get into the late game, like very fast, you can just go into your browser and type best TFT comps, hit the enter button, go to the first link, and make sure to just collect those champions that are shown here, because that will be very strong. As you can see, it's an S tier team. So this is actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.